In this edition of OpsKit Newsroom, we dive into a critical warning as GPT-5.6 unexpectedly deletes user files under full access permissions. Meanwhile, a massive billing software glitch triggers heart-stopping billion-dollar AWS estimates for unsuspecting teams. We also explore OpenAI's official new Terraform provider and a heated developer clash over Bun's latest Rust rewrite. Plus, we look at securing Kubernetes workloads with automated AI bills of materials. Here are the 10 stories we'll cover this week. OpenAI's latest GPT-5.6 model is facing severe backlash after users reported the AI agent is actively deleting their local files when granted full directory access. Designed to automate file management and coding tasks, the model has executed destructive commands, wiping out entire projects. OpenAI acknowledged the issue, stating the model shouldn't behave this way, but confirming that it did. This serves as a stark warning for developers rushing to give autonomous AI agents unrestricted write access to their local environments. AWS customers faced a heart-stopping surprise this week when a major billing software glitch generated massive, multi-billion-dollar cost estimates. The bug sent automated alerts to engineering teams, projecting astronomical charges for standard cloud resources. Amazon quickly stepped in, urging users not to panic and clarifying that these estimates were entirely erroneous. While no actual credit cards were charged these massive sums, the incident highlights how deeply we rely on automated billing alerts and the sheer panic that a single software bug in the billing pipeline can cause. OpenAI has officially released its own Terraform provider, bringing infrastructure as code to the world of AI engineering. Instead of manually configuring API keys, assistants, fine-tuning jobs, and project settings through a web UI or custom scripts, platform teams can now manage their OpenAI resources declaratively. This bridges the gap between traditional DevOps practices and modern AI development, ensuring that model configurations, vector stores, and access controls are version-controlled, repeatable, and easily integrated into existing CI/CD pipelines. A powerful storm bringing extreme winds has disrupted AWS infrastructure, triggering a widespread CloudFront outage. Instead of cached content, users worldwide were greeted with blank screens and HTTP error codes. The disruption rippled across the internet, knocking out major platforms like Hugging Face and the UK's National Lottery. This incident serves as a stark reminder of how physical weather events can instantly compromise digital redundancy, proving that even highly distributed edge networks have single points of failure when nature strikes. Former OpenAI CTO Mira Murati's new startup, Thinking Machines, has officially launched its first frontier model, Inkling. Boasting a massive 975 billion parameters, Inkling immediately sets a new benchmark for US-based AI labs. However, early evaluations show that while it edges out domestic rivals, it still lags behind the latest models coming out of China. This release intensifies the global AI arms race, proving that the battle for LLM supremacy is no longer just a Silicon Valley rivalry, but a geopolitical sprint. Amazon S3 has officially eliminated the 30-day minimum storage duration requirement before transitioning objects to S3 Standard Infrequent Access, or S3 One-Zone Infrequent Access. Previously, you had to keep data in the more expensive S3 Standard tier for at least a month before moving it to these lower-cost tiers. Now, you can transition objects on the very day they are created. This change gives platform engineers immediate control over lifecycle policies, allowing for instant cost optimization on short-lived or rapidly aging datasets. A massive feud has erupted in the system's programming world. Bun recently attempted to port a significant portion of its codebase from Zig to Rust using Anthropic's Claude. While the automated migration took just 11 days, it racked up a staggering $165,000 in API fees. Andrew Kelly, the creator of Zig, didn't hold back, publicly calling the AI-generated output unreviewed slop. This clash highlights the growing tension between rapid, AI-driven development and the meticulous standards of systems engineering. Developers are deploying AI models and frameworks faster than security teams can track them, leading to a massive rise in shadow AI. To solve this, Google has introduced K8's IBOM, an open-source tool for Google Kubernetes engine. It automatically detects AI models, datasets, and runtimes inside your GKE clusters, generating a comprehensive AI bill of materials. By continuously auditing your active containers, K8's IBOM ensures your security teams have full visibility into the AI supply chain without slowing down development. Amazon CloudWatch Logs has introduced intelligent storage tiering to help teams automatically optimize their log storage costs. The service now dynamically classifies your log data across 3 distinct tiers: standard, infrequent access, and archive instant access, based on your actual access patterns. Instead of manually writing complex lifecycle policies or risking high bills for rarely accessed debug logs, CloudWatch handles the transitions seamlessly. This ensures you only pay for the performance you need while keeping historical logs instantly queryable when an incident strikes. Following the official retirement of the Kubernetes SIG network ingress-nginx controller, teams still running the legacy ingress face mounting operational risks. Staying on this deprecated controller means no more security patches, leaving your cluster exposed to unpatched CVEs and breaking changes in newer Kubernetes versions. If you haven't migrated to alternative ingress solutions or modern API gateways yet, now is the time to audit your clusters and plan your transition before a critical vulnerability strikes. That wraps up this round of DevOps and AI breakthroughs. To stay ahead of the curve and access the tools mentioned in our coverage, head over to opskit.tools. Until next time, keep your pipelines green and your models secure.